how to find the right tempo for your music. Sometimes it's tough to decide on the right tempo for your track. Does it sound too fast or maybe too slow? Alright, so here's an easy way to figure it out. First, you search Google for the typical tempo range of the genre you are working for. For example, I looked up for future bass tempo and found it's around 160 BPM. But remember guys, that's just an average, so feel free to go faster or slower. Next up, if you have specific idea in your head, you can use FL Studio Tap Tempo feature. Open FL Studio, right click on the tempo and select tap. Then just tap along while you hum your melody like Trust your instinct here. If you have reference track from another artist and love the way it flows, just search Google for the track tempo, or you can use FL Studio to find it. Load the reference track, click the samples logo and choose detect tempo and select the range. I usually go with the 100 to 100 BPM. The pop-up will show you the exact tempo, but don't worry about being precise, just round it to a whole number. And that's it. Now you know how to find the right tempo for your music. Pretty easy, right? If you enjoy tutorial like this, make sure to follow guys. Thanks!